vDimension anything. How about dimensioning a carton box quickly with unparalleled accuracy and repeatability? In small SKU mode. The test consists of 1. Manual dimensioning versus automated dimensioning, aka speed test. 2. Accuracy and repeatability using 10 orientations. Manual dimensioning had factors of 1. Time consuming. 2. Difficulty with irregular shapes. 3. Low accuracy. 4. Low consistency. 5. Difficulty in measuring through tape. While vMeasure Parcel Ultima had the edge on 1. Time saving. 2. Dimensioning any shape. 3. Precise results. 4. One-click measurements. Influencing the results 8 times faster than manual dimensioning. Accuracy and repeatability. We started dimensioning the carton 10 different times using 10 different orientations, and got the accuracy and tolerance within plus or 0.2 inch range. First comes the regular orientations, followed by the tilted orientations. Regardless of shape, material, or size, vMeasure delivers results with just 1% deviation in cubic volume. Here's how the deviation percentage of 1 is calculated. With maximum, minimum, average and median values derived. And that's how vMeasure promises to give right dimensions with deviation of just 1%.